Project Search is a year-long school-to-work transition program. The Project Search curriculum goes through a wide variety of life skills, employability skills, and we get the opportunity then to integrate them in a real work setting.
Trying to better understand the job life of the adult world.
The interns participate in 3 10-week internships here on campus and now at Aspirus Hospital. We very much include the input of the interns. So prior to joining Project Search, they fill out applications. They come in for an assessment day where we learn about their skills, their strengths, their interests. And then throughout the whole process, we have ongoing meetings, collaborating with the interns, parents, service providers from the community to find out what would be a good fit career for them.
I clean the equipment.
Mostly I just check on the sizes and such, help out with some getting things in the proper rooms.
Some of the tasks I do is fold the linen and then stack it on the shelf nicely. Empty these carts, or the ones I can empty. I check the carts throughout the hospital, making sure they're stocked or what they need to be stocked on.
Typically, individuals who apply for Project Search have finished all of their high school requirements. Project Search supports continue after graduation, so approximately 9 months following graduation, interns are supported in a work setting. If they've been unable to find employment, our employment coordinators work with them.
We mostly kind of just do our places of internship about every day, except for when we have days off or field trips.
As a part of Project Search, our goal is employment, but we also understand that to gain employment in a workplace where you want to work and maintain that employment, you have to have a variety of skills. And our hope too is that these are individuals that are looking to better our community. We're always looking for ways to give back and just be a part of the community. Throughout the year, the interns help in raising a future leader dog for the blind for Leader Dogs. They help with her socialization, with her skills, and I think they benefit from working with her also. We will accept applications through Friday, March 6th. Then we will look as a team at all of the applications, and then we will invite individuals to our assessment day, which is Monday, March 30th. And then individuals will come to campus, and we have our day of looking at what their strengths are.
Definitely encourage them to apply. It's just a nice program.
They should apply.